If you're an avid hiker, you know how hard it can be to make a healthy, hearty meal after a long day on the trail. And luckily, there's a new batch of freeze-dried meals that are supposed to be light as air and easy to carry.
Yeah. I want you to hold this because it's almost like air.
Oh my goodness.
That's dinner.
This weighs nothing.
Yeah, there's no chopping involved. You simply open the bag, add the water, close the bag, sit around for a couple minutes, and dinner is served.
Oh, wow.
And we tasted 22 of these meals. This one actually comes with a flavor packet of chicken broth. If you look inside the bags,
oh, wow.
You're thinking, okay.
Astronaut food.
Astronaut food.
Yeah.
Doesn't look that promising.
You know, it's better than some of the stuff I've eaten on the trail, so I'm interested.
I'm going to taste with you.
Okay.
We're going to start with a chili mac and cheese.
That sounds good.
Let's dig in and see what we think. Could be better. I mean, the chilies are okay, but there's not enough cheese in this one.
I could make this without buying a fancy packet.
We can do better. And so I'm going to start with one of the ones that we really like from a company called Peak Refuel, and this is beef stroganoff. You know, this has got noodles in it, so it's the entire stroganoff, the meat, the sauce, and the noodles all in one packet.
It's got meat in here. That's the hardest thing when you're on the trail, getting enough protein. And meat is not something that backpacks easily.
It's actually kind of good. When we did the tasting, people were hiding the leftovers to take them home.
I love that.
It's creamy, it's delicious. The mushrooms are nice. The beef is nice texture.
Yeah.
The noodles are not soggy.
Nope, this is great.
Next up, we have something from a company called Packet Gourmet, and this is Dottie's Chicken and Dumplings.
Ooh.
They're trying to do a lot of things. This is actually the packet I opened up.
Oh, is it really?
You know, that was the before. This is the after.
Boy, the after looks a lot better.
It's almost like chicken and slicks.
Yeah.
What I'm surprised about this one is the vegetables still have some texture.
Oh, they do. And color.
It's got that little packet of chicken broth, gives it a nice chicken flavor. It's kind of homey tasting.
Yep.
And would be something that I'd be really happy to have at the end of a long day on trail.
Exactly.
For me, though, dessert's always the biggest issue. It's like, okay, what
Dessert.
do you... Well, it's like, okay, you're going to have raisins or dried apricots,
it's true,
right?
it's
Like
true.
that dessert.
Gorp.
No, I want banana pudding, okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah, so this is also from Packet Gourmet.
All right. What are the chunks in there?
You tell me what you think they are.
Freeze-dried bananas.
It's freeze-dried banana. There's pieces of like cake cookie in this.
This is really good. You'd kind of knock the socks off your camping buddies.
It's really good. Again, all of these, you simply open the package, add the boiling water, close it up, wait, and then you are ready to dine.
Oh, and there's a little coconut in there.
So, you ready to hit the trail?
This is really impressive. I think these kind of have a life outside of hiking. I mean, if you were making an emergency kit in your basement, some of these would be perfect.
All right, at least you're not going to do a dinner party.
Jack, thank you. This was really eye-opening.
I agree.
So next time you're ready to hit the trail, stock up on some good dinner options. Not sure what to make tonight? We have an app for that.
That's right. Our app gives you exclusive access to thousands of recipes and reviews from Cook's Country and the entire America's Test Kitchen family.
You'll also get exclusive access to helpful step-by-step videos and have the ability to stream every season of Cook's Country ad-free without interruptions like this. Anywhere, anytime, on any mobile device.
For a more personalized experience, our app also allows you to search by ingredients, set dietary preferences, save recipes, and make notes along the way.
Scan the QR code or visit the App Store to keep Cook's Country in the palm of your hand. We hope you enjoyed this video and tune in for more.
Hit those like and subscribe buttons so you never miss a single one.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, try our digital all-access membership where you can stream every season of Cook's Country anytime, anywhere, and always ad-free.
Plus, you'll gain unlimited access to all of America's Test Kitchen fail-proof recipes, unbiased reviews, fresh episodes, exclusive offers, and more.
Just scan the QR code or head over to cookscountry.com to sign up for a free trial. And while you're there, sign up for our free newsletter and download our app.
And let's make something great together.